Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Erica. If you're new here, welcome. Today we're going to be going over some Dollar General all digital scenarios for Saturday, May 16th. We have a few scenarios with very low out of pocket, so if you want to find out what they are, just keep watching. Real quickly, let's discuss a few things you need to always remember. You need to scan every item with your Dollar General app. The reason you're scanning every item is you want to make sure the price is coming up correctly. Sometimes an item will be on sale, but the tag on the shelf won't reflect that, so you want to make sure that you scan it to see what the correct price is. Another reason you're scanning is you want to make sure your digital coupons are attaching to that item. Some items the digital coupon will attach to, and another scent it may not attach to. So you want to scan and make sure that each item you're getting has the correct digital coupon. When you're scanning these items for prices, you want to make sure your total is coming up to $25. That is before coupons and before taxes. If your subtotal comes up to $24.99, that 5 off 25 coupon will not come off at the register. None of my scenarios today have instant savings, but if there was an instant savings, you'd have to add that instant savings amount to the total of $25. So if it was a $2 instant savings, your new total would have to be $27 before coupon and taxes. And my next tip is get what you need, not what is cheap. I create these scenarios as a guideline for you. If there's something in there that you know you'll never use, replace it with something that you will use. Okay, the first thing you're going to need is your Dollar General app. You're going to want to make sure your phone is charged because you're going to be scanning every single thing that you pick up. So you're going to open up the Dollar General app and you're going to click on List. From there, you're going to check your location, make sure that the store listed at the top is where you are at. If it's not, click Change Store and put it at the correct location. Next thing you want to do is click on the little barcode so you can start scanning your items. Once this screen pops up, you're in business and you can begin scanning. You're probably wondering what you're scanning for. Here's what you're looking for. When you scan an item, you want to see if at the bottom any coupons attached to that item. Okay, let's jump right into the scenarios. First, you're going to pick up 3 12-packs of Coke or Sprite. They're on sale, 3 for $10. You're going to use a $2 off 3 Coke digital coupon. Then you're going to pick up 1 Bic Us Razor starter kit. It's $9. You're going to use that $5 off 1 Bic starter kit digital coupon. Then you're going to buy 2 All or Snuggle products. There's a variety of them. Just scan to make sure the coupon's attaching. They're on sale 2 for $8. You're going to use that $4 off 2 All or Snuggle digital coupon. And then, of course, you're going to want to make sure that 5 off 25 is clipped to your account. The cashier is going to scan all your items. Your subtotal will come to $27. You're going to enter your telephone number at the keypad at the register. $16 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax $11 or $1.83 each, which is a very good deal for soda and laundry detergent. Okay, for our next scenario, we're going to pick up 2 of the All or Snuggle products. They're on sale 2 for $8. We're going to use that $4 off 2 All Snuggle digital coupon. We're going to buy 1 Gain laundry detergent. You can get liquid or pods. They're $3.95. You're going to use that $1 off 1 Gain detergent digital coupon. Then we're going to pick up 1 of the Gain fabric sheets, 60 counts. They're on sale $2.95 this week. We're going to use the $1 off 1 Gain fabric digital coupon. We're going to buy 3 of the Gain dish soaps. They're on sale 3 for $5. We're going to use that $1 off 2 Gain dish soap digital coupon. Plus there's a 75-cent off 1 Gain dish digital coupon. Then we're going to buy 1 of the Downy fabric softeners, 60 loads. They're $3.95. We're going to use the $1 off 1 Fabric Care digital coupon. Then we're going to pick up 1 of the Oral-B indicator toothbrushes. They're $2. We're going to use the $1 off 1 Oral-B manual toothbrush digital coupon. And we're going to use that 5 off 25. The cashier is going to scan all your items. Your total will be $25.85. You're going to put your number in at the keypad. $14.75 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax $11.10. or $1.23 per item. Now let's check out one of these low out-of-pocket scenarios. We're going to buy 1 of the Bic Simply Soleils. They're $3.30. We're going to use that $4 off 1 Bic Razor digital coupon, which will give us a 70-cent overage. Again, we're going to buy 2 of the All or Snuggle products on sale 2 for $8. We're going to use that $4 off 2 All Snuggle digital coupon. We're going to pick up one of those Big Us razor starter kits for $9. We're going to use that $5 off one Big Us starter kit digital coupon. We're also going to pick up one Crest cavity protection toothpaste for $2. We're going to use that $1 off one Crest digital coupon. We're going to pick up 2 packs of the Bic Extra Life ink pens. They're $1.50 each. We're going to use that $2 off 2 Bic writing instrument digital coupon. And then, of course, you want to make sure that 5 off 25 is clipped to your account. The cashier is going to scan all your items. Your total is going to come up to $25.30. You're going to enter your telephone number at the keypad. $21 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax just $4.30 for all of that, or 61 cents per item. Now that is almost a scenario you cannot pass up. And here's another very low out-of-pocket scenario. You're going to buy one of the Bic Simply Soleil razors for $3.30. You're going to use that $4 off one Bic razor digital coupon. You're also going to pick up 1 pack of Dollar General Health Maxi Pads. It's like a 24 count. They're $2. You're going to use that $2 off one Dollar General Health Maxi Pad digital coupon. And again, we're going to pick up 2 of the All or Snuggle products on sale 2 for $8. I personally like the All Free and Clear. I think that's why I added into every scenario. Then you're going to use that $4 off 2 All Snuggle digital coupon. You're going to buy 1 Oral-B indicator toothbrush for $2. You're going to use that $1 off 1 Oral-B manual toothbrush digital coupon. You're going to buy 1 Crest cavity protection toothpaste for $2. You're going to use the $1 off 1 Crest digital coupon. We're also going to pick up one of the Bic Flex wand lighters. They're $3.50. We're going to use that $2 off 1 Bic lighter digital coupon. We're going to buy 1 Jergens lotion for $3.50. We're going to use the $2 off 1 Jergens lotion digital coupon. We're also going to buy the Olay Beauty Bar 2 count, and we're going to use that $1 off 1 Olay Beauty Bar digital coupon. Also, make sure your 5 off 25 is clipped to your account. The cashier is going to scan all your items. Your total is going to come up to $26.80. You're going to enter your telephone number at the keypad. $22 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax $4.80, or just 53 cents per item. Moving right along to our next scenario, we're going to buy 2 of the All Snuggle laundry products, 2 for $8. We're going to use that $4 off 2 digital coupon. We're going to buy 1 Gain laundry detergent for $3.95. You're going to clip that $1 off 1 Gain detergent digital coupon. We're going to buy one of the Downy fabric softeners for $3.95. We're going to use that $1 off 1 Fabric Care digital coupon. We're going to pick up a pack of the Bic Simply Soleil $3.30 razors. We're going to use that $4 off 1 Bic digital coupon. We're going to buy 1 pack of Dollar General Health Maxi Pads, 24 count, for $2. We're going to use that $2 off 1 Dollar General Health Maxi Pad digital coupon. Then we're going to pick up 3 of the Gain dish soaps, 3 for $5. And we're going to use the $1 off 2 Gain dish soap digital coupons. If you have that 75-cent off 1 coupon, you can also use that as well. I think it's an exclusive, so everybody may not have it. And then you're going to make sure that 5 off 25 is clipped to your account. The cashier is going to scan all your items. Your total will come to $26.20. You're going to enter your telephone number at the keypad. $18 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax $8.20, or 91 cents per item. And our next scenario, we're going to buy one of the Bic Us razor starter kits for $9. We're going to use that $5 off 1 Bic Us starter kit digital coupon. We're going to buy 1 pack of the Bic Simply Soleils for $3.30. We're going to use that $4 off 1 Bic razor digital coupon. We're going to buy 2 of the All and Snuggle 2 for $8. We're going to use that $4 off 2 All Snuggle digital coupon. We're going to buy 1 Dollar General Health Maxi for $2. We're going to use that $2 off 1 Dollar General Health Maxi Pad digital coupon. We're going to buy 1 Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $3. And we're going to use that $1 off 1 Crest digital coupon. We're also going to make sure that 5 off 25 is clipped to the account. Cashier is going to ring up all those items. The total is going to come to $25.30. Enter your phone number at the checkout. $21 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax $4.30, or 71 cents per item. And for our final scenario, we're going to pick up 1 box of Playtex tampons for $3. We're going to use that $1 off 1 Playtex digital coupon. We're going to buy 1 Oral-B indicator toothbrush for $2. We're going to use the $1 off 1 Oral-B manual toothbrush digital coupon. We're going to pick up 3 Coke or Sprite 12 packs. They're on sale 3 for $10. We're going to use that $2 off 3 Coke product digital coupon. And we're going to pick up those 2 Snuggle or All products for $8. We're going to use the $4 off 2 All or Snuggle digital coupon. We're going to buy 1 Gain fabric sheets for 34 count. Those are $2. We're going to use the $1 off 1 Gain fabric softener digital coupon, and we're going to use that 5 off 25. Cashier is going to scan all our items. Our total will come to $25. Put your phone number in at checkout. $14 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax $11 or $1.37 per item. Okay, that's all the scenarios I have for you today. Remember, these deals are only good for Saturday, May 16th. If you haven't yet watched the couponer quarantine tag that I posted, you should go over there and watch that. I did a collab with 6 other coupon YouTubers. We all answered questions on each other's videos. These are some amazing couponers. If you're not following them, you should definitely go follow them. Also, when you go over to watch the video on my channel, don't forget to look in the description box below it, because I have linked every one of their videos for the collab down in the description box. Go give all of our videos big thumbs up, because we really appreciate it. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, you should go ahead and subscribe, hit that little bell, turn your notifications to all so you get a notification anytime I post a video. I want to thank you all so much for taking the time to watch my videos, and until next time, bye.